Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Globalized Blood Bank. To develop a globalized blood bank publication using Spring MIC framework to help the management of blood bank donor record and ease or control the distribution of blood in various parts of district based on hospital demands. Without quick and timely access to donor record, creating market strategies for blood donation, promoting and sensation of blood donors become very difficult. The globalized blood bank application offers functionality to quick access to donor record collected from various parts of the state. It enables monitoring of the results and performance of blood donation activity such that relevant and computable objective association can be checked. It provides to control timely, confidential and secure medical report that facilitates planning and decision making and hence healthier medical service delivery. The report generated by the application given responses to most of the challenges management face as far as blood donor record are distributed. Let me see the flow diagram for a globalized blood bank. First, make registration. There are 4 types of users: donor, stock manager, hospital and blood bank. The donor has to make register and registration ID is and donor ID generated and send it to the donor using mail. For that same stock manager, hospital and bank. But except donor, these 3 users has been verified by the admin. After that accepting permission, the user can log in into the system. Then after login, a valid user means he can edit his profile and he can able to see his medical report and he can able to update his last blood donation details and health details. The stock manager means stock manager able to edit his profile, check stocks in the blood bank and alert the donors. Then he can also update the health report of the donor. Hospital can make register, then send the registration ID in hospital ID send it to the particular user. After login, a valid user means he can edit his profile, he can able to add blood bags and he can able to availability checking like blood search operations. And blood bank means make registration and blood bank ID send it to the user. After login validation, he can able to edit and request blood and reserve blood packets and add blood packets by the user, where the blood bank collect blood from several donors and enter the details of the blood and add separate blood bags into the blood bank. Profile. He can edit his profile, health updates. He can state health status visible, invisible. When his health is not well means he can set his status invisible, or he already donated blood before some days means he can set the health status as invisible. Now date of donate. This is date of donate. Adding date of donate. Blood bank name, blood bank address, last donate added. Now history. This last donation history is here. Now we can reset the password. New password. Password update. Now with another user. Password. Now blood bank. Register. Address. Here the details of the blood bank: separate facility and storage unit, license number, validity, then validity up to reporting period 3 years. Separated when as confirm. Please check your mail. He cannot able to log in with existing password. A new password is generated and send it to the mail ID. Now admin have to accept the user. User ID here. Password. Edit profile. Admin control. New blood bank users. Now a new blood bank is the username. Now we can accept him. Now log out. After accepting, a random password is generated and sent to the mail ID. The user can use it to log in with that ID. Edit his personal details. He can add blood bags, health update for the donate, then bag status. The blood bag status is available, whether the blood bag is issued or the blood bag is discarded. Search blood. Here choose a district. Bag. Here the blood bank ID, blood bank name with phone number and number of packets and address of the blood bank. Search blood, no need for registration. Any user can search bloods. Stock checking. A positive is 4 packets. Like that, the details of the blood packets. Reset password, then log out.